This is my iPhone 17 Pro, and for a device like this, I've always wanted a premium screen protector that checks every box. Military-grade durability, top-tier shadow resistance, scratch and wear protection, oil and fingerprint repellents, ultra-high hardness beyond 9H, and even superior bending strength. On camera, I'll be installing it with its self-cleaning installation system. For the spare one, I'll take it outside and let's see how it holds up against scratches and some hammer smashing. Also see how well it plays with popular cases, analyzing which ones fit well and which ones might not. So I hope you stick around. This one's going to be interesting. So let's begin. This is UltraGlass Top 9H Plus Armor model, one of their most durable and premium protectors marketed for the iPhone 17 Pro. UltraGlass, an eco-friendly manufacturer, sent me these screen protectors for free to try out and share with you in this video. This is the model they primarily promoting for the new iPhone 17 Pro. I've included an Amazon affiliate link down below. If you decided to purchase through it, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps support the channel. Thank you. These features like scratch resistance, that silky smooth touch, and the fingerprint-proof design, I'm really excited to test. Each box comes with 2 screen protectors and is designed specifically for the 6.3-inch display. That's the iPhone 17 Pro. They actually sent me 2 boxes. I guess they really want me to scratch them up and smash them on camera. Just kidding, or am I? I know I can just use one, test the other, and sell the extra box. Just kidding. Thank you so much, UltraGlass. I'll be holding on to the second box for my future iPhone. The box itself looks and feels really premium too, with this reflective UltraGlass logo, and has a cool layered texture that gives a modern edgy vibe, and sleek matte black all around. And here's a bit of their promo video, which I don't think I'll be doing exactly that. Alright, I'm going to install this screen protector on my iPhone 17 Pro. So that's the squeegee or scraper tuck right into the plastic. Here's more of their promo clip. And yep, I'll be doing a scratch test too, just to see how tough this glass really is by scanning the QR code. So yeah, they do provide a video tutorial on how to install it, but you could just watch me do it right here. It uses an auto dust removal system. Just wait 5 seconds after. I just hope I have the patience to wait for full 5 seconds. Alright, let's go. 2 sets of cleaning kit. More thorough instructions. If you're curious, you can just pause. I'll show you how to do a replacement installation. And here's the replacement screen, or just an extra one. I'll be honest, I actually enjoy installing screen protectors. I can do it for my mom, my friends, and pretty much anyone. It's oddly satisfying. We got a wet wipe, a cleaning cloth, very nice, and dust removal stickers. Alright, let's wet wipe my iPhone 17 Pro. Get all the grease out. Dry it with the included cloth. Use the dust removal sticker to pick up any leftover particles, but you don't have to worry if you miss 1 or 2 or 3. This uses an auto cleaning system and you'll see it in action. It's pretty cool and forgiving. Just press the frame down onto the phone and pull the tab to slide the plastic out, and that's it. But there's that 5 seconds that you have to wait. Have a look, it starts self-adhering, But I'm a bit OCD, so I'm gonna make sure it's just right. I'm just gonna press down all over to make sure it sticks properly and stays put. This part always makes me feel like I'm sealing a deal or flattening dough. Either way, it's going to be even. I think you can feel it bonding to the glass underneath. This is it, the reveal. Either it's flawless or I'm peeling it off and starting over. Lifting the frame and look at that. Clean, centered, and looking flawless. Okay, so yeah, I know I'm a little OCD. The install looks flawless, no bubbles, totally clean, but I'm still going to use the squeegee because if I don't, I'll just think there's a bubble hiding somewhere. Take a look at that. Pure perfection. Edge-to-edge alignment, no bubbles, no dust, and crystal clear, just how I like it. Now I gotta say, it looks so clean, I almost don't want to put a case on it. But I should. I do a lot of mountain hiking, and let's be honest, gravity doesn't care how perfect your screen protector looks. And I appreciate that it does not block the speaker slot or grill. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up a replacement installation just in case I ever need to swap out the screen protector later. Here's the replacement screen protector. All you need to do is align the hose at the top of the screen protector with the little pegs on the frame and insert in the tab. And you know immediately whether you face the screen protector in the right direction. And start the process over again if needed. But I'm going to place it back in the box and then take it outside and destroy it. For some scratch and smack testing. But before we get into that, let's see how it works with a phone case. The rim on this case curves in just a bit. Any more than that, I don't think the UltraGlass screen protector can coexist. Let's just have a look. Seems like a perfect fit. However, if you're using an OtterBox case with a built-in front frame like this, it's probably not going to work with the UltraGlass screen protector. But I'm happy with this case I have. Link in the description. Have a look. This is what a perfect fit looks like. The screen protector sits seamlessly under the case with just enough clearance around the edges. Other cases like Apple's silicone and tech woven ones should work perfectly with this screen protector too, since the rim on those cases doesn't even curve in. Here, have a look with the white screen on. You can really see how clean and edge to edge the screen protector sits. Now let's do a smudge test. On the left it's UltraGlass, on the right it's not. So yeah, I used my own face grease on both screens, and now I'm wiping them off with just my thumb. That's a huge difference. The UltraGlass side is basically clean, while the other one still has a big greasy smudge. I'll go one more round, have a look. That's pretty impressive. Next up, touch responsiveness. I've been testing it for a bit, and yeah, it's really responsive. I think part of that is how smooth the surface is. It just glides better than some other protectors I've tried. And here we are, the scratch and smash test. This first one is my old screen protector, and here is a second spare UltraGlass. The left is non-UltraGlass, the right is the UltraGlass. So I'm going to use this metal tip on both screen protectors and see what happens. Nothing on both that I can see. Nothing still. How about some poking with it? Nothing on both. Still nothing. Pretty impressive. How about key scratching? Nothing. Nothing. Nope, on both. Now smashing them with a hammer. So I don't understand why anyone would do this. I mean, it's kind of good to see that there's less cracks on the UltraGlass, I guess, or less prominent cracks. Well, there you go. Anyway, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching.